Welcome to the YouTube channel for day 245. Another day of being on the phones, another long day, and I'm actually can't wait for this week to be over with because I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do um, the insurance platform anymore, the lead platform anyway. It's just too much of a commitment, and in order to get a good return you have to be there all the time, and there's no real flexibility. I mean, you're your own business owner, you can come and go as you wish, but it's going to cost an extreme amount of money, and even then, even after spending all this time, like in the last 2 days I haven't had a sale. So I did have some success, and I am grateful for having some success previously and having some sales, but it's not enough to cover the entire cost, and definitely not worth the stress. So this just reinforces my belief in that you can work hard, and you can if you're working hard and you're making a lot of money, I'd rather have a leisurely life and work a little and make a little bit than to work really hard and make a whole lot of money, because at the end, there's health consequences for doing that. And I did, like I said, I had a great job. When I worked for the federal government, I had a great job. Toward the end, it was becoming way too much. It was just like, this is not worth it. And putting in 12-hour days and being in a constant state of stress, it's not worth it. Now that I'm retired, I'm semi-retired. I'm a business owner, but I'm retired from working. I don't even want anything that mimics a job. So I really want to work and do what I want to do when I want to do it. And again, I'm susceptible to opportunities and things like that, but it's just too much. That just taught me a lesson that, okay, I've got to have the flexibility to do this as I see fit. And if it's going to be like I'm going to be worried about not being able to, recoup my investment, in terms of leads or time or whatnot, it's not worth it. So there's a lot of other projects. There's a lot of other ways. So insurance is still a great thing. I got some sales. Actually, this was not a failed endeavor, because I got my first sales in Medicare, and I learned a lot. I learned a heck of a lot. So now it's just, I want to exit this appropriately. The people who have been doing it, I'm grateful for the people who've been putting this together, because they've been really gracious and very kind, and they instructive. But I can't go beyond doing this. I did it for 2 weeks. I got 2 more days. I'm gonna be there because like I said, I need to try to get a couple more sales. Otherwise, this is going to be a net loss. And don't even think about compensating me for my time. It's just like, okay, now I just want to make a return on my time. But I've learned quite a bit, and I'm grateful for that. So anyway, let me know what your thoughts are. That's day 245. That was the 2nd of May, 2023, a Tuesday. Let me know your thoughts, comments, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow.